I'm Parthanil Ghosh, Executive Director of SDFC Ergo. Our association with Camcom started from 2019. We use this AI-driven technology in our pre-inspection of motor insurance and also for surveying of motor claims. What we found through this technology that we could give the power in the hand of customers at the time of pre-inspection, so they do not have to wait for anyone to come and inspect the cars. Absolutely in their flexible time, one. Secondly, in the terms of motor survey during claims, what we see is that first of all, it is very fast and accurate. So customers can actually expect right decision absolutely at the quickest possible period of time. We found it to be extremely useful towards customer experience, bettering customer experience, increasing efficiency, and to give the power of deciding on the time of serving their claims or pre-inspecting the vehicles in the hand of the customers. I wish Camcom all the best, and as SDFC Ergo, we will continue to support the startups in India towards the betterment and benefit of the customers.
Joining today, so we have recently signed up a strategic partnership with HDFC Ergo as well as the Ergo AG. So what do we mean by that is that now we will co-build some of the platforms together, solutions together for the motor industry, for the insurance, which can be claims as well as underwriting. So when we say underwriting, it is basically the pre-inspections which we do. The same thing we are going to do in the European market. They have similar type of cars which we have in India. The only difference is the traffic damages are a little more lesser. And the second thing which is there is the climatic condition. They have hailstorms, they have heavy snow, which damages the car to a large extent. So that is what we are going to cover in that region. In India, we are already working with HDFC Ergo. We do more than 15,000 claims. So for all you know, if you have a HDFC claims insurance, if you have taken, then for all you know, we are assessing the damages at the background. We also work with Bajaj, we work with Tata AIG, Royal Sundaram. We are working with top 7 insurance companies in India. Now we have our footprint in Thailand, we have it in Malaysia, we also have it actually in Dubai as well as Kuwait. Last but not the least, we are also now in Europe, and very soon we'll be going to US as well. So that's about Camcom, where any defects and damages on any surfaces can be identified.
Ma'am, how it will work? Little bit brief.
How it works. Okay, sir. So we have two concepts. When we have to assess a damage, there are two parts to it. Okay. One is capturing the image part. The second is to assess where the damage is. I'll talk a little lightly about the first part. We have named it Trinetra because it is like our Shiva, the third eye. A normal eye can miss something, but the third eye doesn't miss anything. So it acts like a third eye. It is exactly like your phone. You hold it, you walk around. Even a small kid can do it. You just walk around, it will start clicking the images of the frames it wants. You can take the odometer image, you can take the VIN image, engine image, everything. Once we get those images, the second part begins, which is the assessment. The first part takes less than a minute if you have a good network. The second part, we do the assessment for the damages. Now if you look at a car, there is a glass, there is a plastic, there is a metal component. So it not only assesses the damage, but it identifies the material. So if there is a hit on the metal, it will call it as a dent. If there is a hit on a glass, then it is a crack. And for a crack, you have to replace it. For a metal, maybe based on the area, how much it has got impacted, you can repair it. But if the area is too much, then you have to probably replace it. So we give a replace, repair decision based on the material and the amount of intensity and the area which has got impacted. That's what we do for a car. Likewise, for a property, it is the same. Sometimes there is seepage inside. Maybe there is a facade, or there's a little bit of a dulling of the paint, or the glasses may be broken, the walls may be cracked. we identify all of them. In fact, we are also having talks for everything else. For example, airlines. It can be practically any surface, washing machine for that matter. Okay, washing machine also has damages. What happens is you will order your washing machine online. It gets delivered to home, right? When they send it, perfect situation. But in transit, it would have got damaged. So what we say is you take a picture when you ship it. The minute it gets delivered to you as a customer, you also take a photo. Then we look at both of them, we compare both of them. You know the damage was existing or not. So what happens is you build a lot of transparency and trust. You don't have to debate, you don't have to argue, it was there, it wasn't there, because a picture speaks 1,000 words. We are using the same technology here, saying that look at the picture, the decision is in your hand.
Ma'am, nowadays cyber frauds is going on huge.
Yes.
So this, how much will secured in your this technology?
So what we do is very simple. Little tech I will speak here. We have instances created. Okay, let us say for India, we have our own E2E as well as AWS instances, which are waterproof, completely water contained and tight. All of this Trinetra, it will have its timing where it will time out, it cannot be reused, number one. Number two is once the data comes, it's in a secure network. In less than 3 minutes, we do the assessment and we push it back into the client environment. We don't keep anything.
Okay.
So what happens is, it is a secure network and data push-pull environment, by the virtue of which the probability of any type of a cyber attacks are very less. But having said that, in spite of all this, we do have a very stringent firewalls and virus attack systems and alerts which are placed in the within the environment for the servers as well as GPU, so that the minute we sense there is something, it will get into auto shutdown mode.
Okay.
By the virtue of which we stop everything so that nothing goes further. We investigate it and then we have it reopened again. Likewise, for Europe, we have taken a AWS in Ireland. So that AWS has nothing to do with India. So the European data sits only in Europe. It does not come to India at all. So that's how we make sure that no cyber attacks, and we are also data compliant at all point of time.
Thank you, ma'am.